What up, man? Keep hearing something strange out here. I'm going to try to see if it's still there. Can't get the door. Yeah, I don't hear it now. A while ago, man, it sounded like a train or something was out here. It was loud, boy. As you see, nobody out here. You might be able to hear the wind a little bit. Sounds like a dog or something there. There it is. You hear it? It just stopped. You hear the dogs barking because of it? Shh, if you listen. You hear the dogs barking because I don't know what that is. That's it, man. I'm going in. Trying to see if I hear it one more time. I don't see nothing in the sky, though. I don't see where it's coming from. Shit, the water's here. I'm going in.